The National Weather Service in Milwaukee-Sullivan has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southwestern Rock County in south-central Wisconsin until midnight Central Standard Time at 11:28 p.m. Central Standard Time. A severe thunderstorm was located 7 miles northwest of Rock City, or 8 miles southeast of Monroe, moving east at 50 miles an hour. Hazard, 60 miles an hour wind gusts and penny-size hail. Source, house observation. Impact, expects damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Janesville, Beloit, Newark, and Afton. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. A severe